Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we work on a Mini Cooper. We're gonna show you the location for the automatic speed sensor from 2002 until 2006 Mini Cooper R50 or the R53. So I know there is no video for, you cannot figure out what is the location exactly for the transmission speed sensor. So this is why guys we're gonna make this video. We're gonna show you exactly what is the location. But don't forget guys, if you like the video, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing more tricks. Stay with me guys. Okay guys, the first thing you have to do, we need to remove the battery, remove the box, disconnect the ECU, and we have to go down over here guys. Let me put some lights. Okay guys, the speed sensor is right there. This is the line 4. This is the hose, the line 4, and there's gotta be over here guys. Let me put the camera. There we go guys. So this is the speed sensor guys. It's easy location, but there is no information about it. So they go this one, disconnected from the top, and easy guys to change it. It's gotta be on your left side of the transmission. It's gotta be on left side, and it's gotta be on the top. So this is the transmission speed sensor for the Mini Cooper. Yeah, so I have some issues, so I gotta try to fix the issue. And this is how to find the speed sensor location. So how I told you guys, so I remove it already. We have to use only 10mm sockets to open it. And this is the speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. So all you have to do back here, you have to remove this pin over here to disconnect it, and easy to replace it and put another one. So we're gonna check, see what's going on to my car, why the car doesn't shift right. So guys, it's really easy to fix this problem. Here we go guys. So this is the speed sensor. I'll remove it from the car. So trying to see if there is any issue on it. So easy guys to fix it. You don't need to remove no tires, you don't need to go on the need of the car, no nothing. Just remove the box, remove the battery. It's on the top on your left side of the engine and transmission. And this is the location where it's located guys.